Hey, this is Dave Ing. I'm in the junkyard. I've got a 2013 Honda Accord, and this is the 2 and 4 door. We're working on the trunk latch today. You'll see the trunk latch hidden underneath the carpeting for the trunk. I took out these plastic clips already. You just got to pry those out. They're in here, and then you can access the trunk latch. There's two 10mm bolts. I use an impact in the junkyard, but you can use a regular 10mm wrench if you have it. And they just come out this way. The latch drops down. Now it's hooked up currently to an electrical connector right here. That's 3 pins. And then there's another connector here, which is so the latch can be opened from the cabin right next to the driver's side. There's, that lever. And so that is, you push that down here, okay? And then you just gotta wiggle that out a little bit. Okay, pull that out. So that is the latch. I'll have a couple links to both the OEM part numbers and I carry these in the aftermarket, and they're working pretty well. I'm having good luck with them. But if I have OEM ones available, I will have a link for that as well. And installation is reverse removal, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.